Yo, what up, guys? We got a new box. Yo, what up? We got a new box. This box. Oh wait, what?
Yeah, I'm just
Oh,
holding it.
okay. Yeah, we got. Yo, what up, guys? We got a new box. This box is coming from a lady that we know.
Her name is Andrea, and she's awesome.
Yeah, she's making basically a Hawaii box, right?
Yeah, basically, it's I think she calls it like the magical Aloha box. And I have no idea what's in it.
Oh yeah.
She's supposed to be sending us stuff from like Disney Aulani, that's Hawaii exclusive, and some stuff from Starbucks, it's Aloha, it's Hawaii exclusive, and some local Hawaiian like candy and sweet stuff like that, which is our favorite because we love Hawaii and we miss it.
Yeah, I didn't know all that, so that's really cool.
Yeah, so we're gonna open this up and see what is inside. Now the box is opened.
Yep.
Let's see what's inside.
New card.
Oh, a Minnie Mouse card. So cute. It says, surprise! Aloha, Ashley. I hope your 2021 is starting off great. Enjoy all your yummy treats. So we know there's treats inside.
Sweet. It's our turn for the treats.
Uh-huh.
Wow.
Look how cute
Dang,
that is.
that's really cool.
That is so cute. Big old feet.
Yeah.
Aww.
Wow.
So
yeah,
cute.
That's really cool. Where, Devin? That's not yours. That's not yours.
So here's our first item. It's a Mickey Mouse, and he's got his ukulele, and he's wearing his Hawaiian shirt. He's got some sandals. So cute. So cute.
Yeah, that's really cool.
We got some mugs.
Starbucks mug.
Starbucks. Oh, and it says it's Hawaii exclusive. Super cute.
Yeah, that's really cool. What's that umbrella?
You want some gummy?
Yeah.
You can eat it.
Pineapple gummy. Yeah, that's really cool.
Yeah.
Feels really weird.
What does it taste like?
Pineapple.
Really?
How
good. Cute is that? Even came with an umbrella. So cute. And we got some pineapple candy. Pineapple is one of our favorite fruits, so we are super excited. Oh wow, this is gonna be good. I don't think I've ever had this.
Popcorn.
So popcorn is Edgar's favorite.
Oh wow.
And he loves mochi and nori. Nori is basically like a seaweed. So this is gonna be really good.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Oh wow, and it's one of those, we're gonna eat this tonight. We're gonna have a movie night and then we're gonna eat this. This is gonna be good.
Yeah.
I'm actually excited.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Mochi. And macadamia nut is my favorite. So this is gonna be really good. I think I want a bite. This is gonna be so good.
Are you gonna try it right now?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
be funny. Poppy came into the box.
I know. She's waiting.
No. How is it?
Oh.
Man, you didn't even show the whale. You just bit it in half. How is it? Really good? Yeah, turn on. Yeah. Whale-shaped chocolate. That's really good. So, this lady, this is her first time doing it?
Yeah. So this is so we found her on Facebook. She does personal shopping from Hawaii. So anyone that's interested in like getting Hawaiian candies or stuff from like Disney, she does that. But yeah, so cute.
That's really cool.
Yeah, I know.
Awesome box.
Thank you, Andrea.
Appreciate it.
Here's our cat. She's patiently waiting for something. What is it, Poppy? What is it? You want candy? Hey, Poppy. Andrea? In case you're watching, you know how I told you that we love Duffy the bear from Disney? Guess what his name is? His name is Duffy.
Ooh.
Meet our dog. And you know we love Hawaii, so meet our other dog. Her name is Lay. Her name is Lay. We have Lay